Crews are making a lot of progress on the I-10 construction project over US 165. Construction on this $75.7 million project began in September of 2022. Once complete, it will widen and replace the existing bridges over US 165 in Jefferson Davis and Calcasieu parishes. According to the latest numbers from 2022, more than 66,000 vehicles travel the corridor daily. That number is expected to increase to 73,100 motorists by 2042. This video shows concrete being poured for the new bridge deck on I-10 eastbound. Once this new portion of the new bridge is complete, the existing eastbound bridge will be removed and construction on the inner half of the new I-10 eastbound bridge will begin. As of now, the project is scheduled to be completed by the spring of 2025, weather permitting. Thanks for watching.